Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be seeing how to install the Docker software. So let me go to the uh, Google and search for Docker, Docker desktop. Search for Docker desktop. You can see the first option, Docker desktop. So just click on the Docker desktop. So go down here. You can see install Docker desktop. So if you're looking for Docker for your Mac, Windows, Linux, here you have links. For example, here I'm installing for the Windows. So let's click on Windows. So here you can see that. So these are the installation provided by the Dockers actually. Okay, so now here you can choose any one and you can install it. For example, let's say Docker desktop for 64-bit. Okay, this is for 32-bit. So this is for ARM format actually. So now let me go and download. So if you are looking for the Windows, so just go for the first one actually for 64-bit. So click on this one. So it will show Docker download window. So just click on download, so it will be downloaded. So for me, I have already downloaded the Docker, so I have Docker handy. So you can download by going this by clicking on this link. Okay, so once you download, you can see a Docker desktop installer. Okay, so you can click on this Docker desktop installer. So you have to install the Docker now by doing some steps. So by following some steps, you can install the Docker. Okay. So here it is initializing the Docker and it is verifying the packages. Okay. So as I have already installed the Docker, it is saying that the installation is up to date. So the Docker version is 4.4, 4.43.2. So the installation is already there. So you don't need to install the Docker software. So for you, you need to install the Docker actually. So it will, you just have to like go through the next. You just have to click next and click on finish. So it will install the Docker. So as of now, I'm closing this one. So once you install Docker, okay. So once you install, so let's go and check the Docker. So here you can see Docker desktop is installed and you can see, uh, for me, like I have created the multiple images in my earlier sessions, right? So I can see some images and the containers which are running. Okay. So for you, you can see a plain Docker. See, once you click on the Docker desktop application, it is starting the Docker engine. There are different ways you can start the Docker. So we have a command. So you can directly go to the no command line, and you can use a command called service start Docker. So it will start the Docker engine. Okay. So here, when you click on the Docker application, it will start the Docker. So here I have these many images. See, so these many images I have worked so far till today. So for you, it will show empty. Okay. So with this, we have started the Docker engine, and uh, we can create the Docker images. We can fetch the Docker images as well. So there is a separate session for for Docker. So I'll be starting soon. So if you want to learn Docker, so you can follow that playlist. I'll be starting around mid of August actually. So I hope this is fine. So if you have any doubts in installing the Docker software, so let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Okay. Until then, thank you for watching.